Hey there, this is Jim Cunningham, and this is my beta demo for my Geography 777 Project 1. I have elected to create an application with the tkinter Python library, and what I have now is showing is the GUI as it currently stands, and I'm going to demonstrate the functionality that exists to this point. And to this point, that functionality includes basically just the inverse distance weighting spatial analysis. So the GUI currently has the title and a little bit of explanation of what the tool is, some background on the data, an analysis section, the status, program status, and then right now I have two buttons. Both are grayed out and disabled until the application runs the analysis. And over on the right is where the output will be placed. I'm currently showing a map of the census tracts with the well distribution, the wells which contain the nitrate levels. Just to show you, let's test it first with a value. So we'll run the analysis with the power K value of 2. And as you can see down at the bottom, generating IDW output is the feedback given to the user. I'm also keeping idle open here so you can see what's going on with some print statements. And boom, voila, there is an IDW surface that's been interpolated and outputted. And now the button down here for the IDW is enabled. If I click that button, this is the IDW surface with the way it would look with the power K value of 2. In the future, this OLS button, which is now enabled, and these two buttons will toggle, will show you the OLS output. Right now, I'm just having it replace with the original splash map, and the print statement here will tells you that one day soon it will show the OLS output. Let me just add at this point, I do have some other functionality, like for example, it requires a value, power K value of something greater than 0. If you put 0 in and try to execute it, tells you you're generating output, but your power K value must be greater than 0. And the print statement says the same thing. If I try a string character or statement like my name and I try to execute, it tells you somewhat politely, you're doing something wrong. You need to enter a number like 2.5, and if I execute that, that looks like it's more acceptable. Another IDW output has been created, slightly different, but the functionality remains the same. Going forward, we'll institute the zonal statistics and spatial join or table join and an OLS output, which will then be accessible through the GUI in this whole application.